We're back working on the Jeep today, everybody. We got a headlight out. Got to figure out what's going on with that. So we're gonna pull the grill off. I got my trusty power probe. Very dangerous here in the automotive world. So be careful using these things. But we're gonna try to figure out why this headlight's not working today. Let's get this all taken apart and see what we can find. Okay, we got a few of these little push pin clips that go in across the top of the grill here. We got these all out. So now we can pop the grill off. Some pins down here at the bottom so we can unplug the driving or the turn signals here on each side. We can set this bad boy aside. So you can see we got some screws around the headlight here that we need to get out. So let's go ahead and take those out now. One on the top, one on the other top, one down here at about 5 o'clock or so. And another one over here about 8 or 9 o'clock. Now I can pull the ring off, pull our headlight out, and now we are to our wiring here. See if we see anything obvious, which we don't. Slightly unplugged, but I don't think that'll be a huge deal. So let's see here. Gonna have to plug this kind of back in, I think, so we can then test this with our power probe. And our power probe has got just standard battery connections. So we just hook these up to the battery and then go from there. Doo-doo. Down for ground, up for power. So let's see what happens here. Nothing. Okay. So, according to this one to the outside should be ground and the other one should be power. Let's go throw the switch inside and see just what exactly happens here. Okay, we got a headlight on the driver's side, but we have nothing here on the passenger side. This small little adapter here that takes it from the factory JK style to the H4, I think these 3 pins are. So yeah, we got nothing here. We got a factory ground that's right up here by the power steering reservoir, and that seems to be good and tight. So let's see here. Okay, so there's power coming in on the white. Got nothing on the black. So do we just have a bad ground here? Let's test these down here at the H4 connector. It's showing 5 there. Showing 5 there. Showing power there. So I wonder if we don't pull the other one out, plug it in here, and see if we get the same result just to determine that it's a bad light. These are some pretty cheap Amazon lights, by the way. Okay, got the good one out. Let's just plug her in right here and see what we get. This will tell us real quick. Oh, okay, cute. We got a wiring issue. Okay, so what do we got over here on this side? We got ground on black, 6 volts on blue, 12 volts on white. 12 volts on white, ground, and nothing. So why does the light not work? And ground. So let's try this. What the frick? Okay, light still works. Sweet. Okay. Now we just need to figure out why it's not working on this side. Hey everybody. So we've recently reached about 10,000 subscribers. Decided to do a little merch drop for everybody just as a thank you. Appreciate each and every one of you that's taking your time out of the day to watch the video, maybe learn something from it. Drop a comment, definitely like it. And all those guys that shared it, really appreciate that. So keep it up, guys. We got a hoodie with the logo, QR code for sharing. We've got men's and women's sizes right now. We've got t-shirts, hoodies, and stickers. I'm going to do some hats pretty soon, but I want to do something a little bit different than just a standard logo. Drop your ideas in the comments down below, and we'll try to make this happen for everybody. Okay, I'm showing no ground now. Okay, so I wonder if I just don't extend that up here to this factory ground. It's right up here on the side of the firewall, and we might solve this issue. So let's take haha, that would be our issue. So if we come here, their power probe, turn to ground, we get light. So we just need a new ground circuit here for this light, and we should be fixed. You can see right there, that's a factory ground bolt. Has a bunch of other ground wires coming off of it. That's what we're gonna attach our new ground to for our headlight to replace the bad factory ground that we found right here. I never throw away old wiring harnesses, factory ones from like driving lights we did on the Ford or anything else. I keep them around because they all have, you know, these little pieces of wire that can all be real handy. So I'm gonna make that my ground and then take that down to my adapter, make the connection, and have headlights again. First thing we gotta do is take this nut off here. See you. Of course. Everything's a 10 millimeter. Everything. 10 millimeter. Okay. Piece of jumper wire. Down in there. Put our nut back on. Okay, that's on there. Now we're gonna cut our adapter wire just after the factory wire. In fact, since this thing is so jank, we'll just pull that all the way out. We'll cut this off. Strip it back. And crimp it down. Now, we should be able to plug this back in here and have lights once I go turn them back on. And we do. We got headlight. Yay, headlight. Now that we got that, we can take and we can plug our green and our red back in for the LED turn signal and then the halo. So let's turn on the turn. Actually, I need to go grab the keys. I got the keys. Headlights work. Turn signals. Turn. Turn signal works. And it looks like all the LEDs work on that side too. That's good. What about the other side? We got turn signal on the other side. We do have turn signal on the other side, and they all look to be working as well. Now, do we have halos? We have halos. We fixed it. Yes. One simple ground issue. That's all it was. So, I don't know. That wasn't hard at all. That took me all of about maybe an hour, if even that, 30 minutes, setting everything up and tearing everything down and trying to find some tools in my messy garage. So I think if this lame duck can do it, anybody can do it. So get out there and make it happen for yourself. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again on the next one.